Planting native varieties in a mountain resort at subalpine elevations has many challenges and rewards. As soon as the snow melted, the soil was amended and seedlings were dug into the ground. On planting day, the temperature dropped to 0 degrees centigrade. During the summertime, it rose to 40 degrees. Somehow, the seedlings persisted and grew into strong plants with subtle alpine blooms, or, surprisingly, exploded into vibrant purple flowers, even late into the fall. The garden is an ideal outdoor learning center. Tag identifiers are connected to a digital database of photos and descriptors with a QR code. This is a place to learn plant talk, such as deciduous conifer or fruits are pairs of winged seeds or bright red stems and leaves with prominent parallel veins. Great descriptors. And it's a place to expand the botanical vocabulary with enticing Latin terms such as Veronica wormskoldi, or Solidago canadensis, or Symphocarpus albus. Wonderful words. Digging seedlings into the soil and delving deeper into plant resources becomes an intoxicating addiction to the botanical bounty of all species, native, invasive, and introduced. This Eco Club garden features plants native to the West Kootenays. Plants in gardens and in nature offer food to a myriad of insects, birds, and animals. They invite us to study, learn, and respect, and to just enjoy the beauty of a seed growing or a flower blooming.